Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the hardware ready. Both monitors or the external TV must be connected and powered. Press Windows plus P right away to see projection modes. Choose Extend to stop mirroring temporarily. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display to make this permanent. Make sure Windows detects both screens. If one is missing, click Detect. You're taking control now, so you can move on to precise arrangement and resolution settings. With both screens visible in Settings, select the monitor you want to change. From the Multiple Displays drop-down, pick Extend so each screen is independent. That's how you turn off Mirror. Next, use Identify to confirm which number matches each physical display, then drag them to match your desk layout. Make sure scale and resolution match the monitor's native specs to avoid stretching. If needed, click Advanced Display Settings to adjust refresh rate. These choices, click Apply after changing to Extend and confirm you want to keep the setting. This finalizes turning off mirror display. Make sure cables and adapters are seated. Swap ports or cables if a screen disappears. If Windows reverts or a display won't appear, open Device Manager and update the graphics driver, or roll it back if a recent update broke detection. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reboot with only the primary display connected, then plug in the secondary after login to force detection and reapply your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.